Anytime you're buffing paint, you have two things building up on the face of your pad. You have spent product and removed paint. And in the same way that you wipe that film of residue off the panel you just buffed, you need to wipe off or remove that paint on your pads as you work around the car. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the Lake Country System 4000 pad washer and the Grit Guard pad washer, plus spurs, nylon brushes, and other ways to get your pad clean. And I'm going to show something that you've never seen before. So tune in today on the Dr. Beasley's Facebook page or YouTube channel, 1 p.m. Pacific time or 4 p.m. Eastern time. And by tuning in live, you'll be able to interact and ask me questions at the end of the video. Hope to see you there.